Hello, and welcome to our video with information on how to use your admin account in ChronosHub. Consortia that provided their admin contacts to cargo publishers will have access to ChronosHub, and authorised consortia users can therefore log into the platform. Upon logging in, you can go to the agreement report to monitor and get a general overview of the use of the transformative agreements overall and per institute. You can see at a glance the number of articles covered by the agreements and how many remain, if a limited number. The details include the number of articles accepted and published, as well as how many authors opted out. By clicking on the plus to the left of the institute's name, you can drill down to show details for the individual institution. You can run and download reports at any time to get a more granular view of article data. Clicking on All Articles in the menu to the left will provide an overview of all articles published by authors affiliated with the institutions. Articles can be filtered, searched, and exported to Excel. By clicking on the article title, a page with more information opens, including a link to the final published PDF, if published open access. For articles published in closed access, a link to the accepted author manuscript will be included. Thank you for watching. Please reach out to your regional cargo contact or contact Deborah Lautenschläger, d.lautenschläger@cargo.com, if you have any questions.